in Boothbay, Maine. And of course, they don't open up for another week. We're here too early. But they have a little steamer right there. I'm not sure what that is. They have a couple here, including a little diesel. There's a ride you can take around here. And that's the museum. But it's a little railway village here. And at least the general store was open, so we was able to go in there and buy some stuff. No, not a whole lot going on. Look like there's a couple of diesels stuck in there. Supposed to be a couple of steam engines around here somewhere. And I'm guessing that's one of them right there, but I'm gonna take some quick pictures of this. There's a caboose over there. It's a nice station. And there's mud because it rained like crazy when we got here. That's a long barn right there. And there's an antique car museum here, but unfortunately it doesn't open for another week. And we'll be long gone by then. So this is, oh, that's one of the Henschels. Yeah. Henschel and Son. I think this is 1936 or 1938 on there. There's that little steamer. We've seen some of these before at Branson, Missouri. And there's one in Eureka Springs also. But you can see back there. So this whole area is a nice little village. Unfortunately, it's not up and running yet because we're here, that's why. And there's Sarah. But that's all we can do. I'm gonna stop, I'll take some pictures of that. And unless I can get somewhere else, that's gonna be it. Okay, we are still at the Boothbay Village. And the lady said if we make a donation, she'll let us walk around. So we did, and we are. That they have the Maine Mercy car. And there's another little steam train right there. So here's a Mercy boxcar from France. We've come across a couple of these and had no idea that the one for Maine was here. So there that is. How cool. Oh, and they're driving an old vehicle out. I'm gonna get out of the way. All right, I'm gonna, yep, a little saddle tank on it. I don't know what this is, but I'm sure it'll find out in a second. It's a Baldwin. 1895 Baldwin. So 040. Yeah, it is a little Baldwin. You can see where the bowler plate used to be, too.
It's so little.
Hey, another Baldwin off the list. Number 14283, 1895. And then they got some vintage box cars down there, but yeah, I knew they had a Baldwin here somewhere. I just didn't expect it to be so small.
So little.
Yeah, got a saddle.
It makes sense because it's
saddle tank on it. Yeah.
Narrow gauge.
Yeah. There's all the info on that. Looks like an army green color, don't it?
Oh yeah, it does from over here. I didn't realize it was different until I came onto the side. So,
and there's some Wisconsin and Quebec box cars and all back there.
Signs for each of the trains.
Yeah, Damariscotta is where we're staying. Dexter, Freeport is the main area here. But they have the Vintage Vehicle Museum, which is why that little car came out. And there's the Mercy box car.
I'm amazed that
and there's Sarah.
Car works. Like, I want to drive that vintage car.
Yeah. And you know, it's an antique village type place. And I'm sorry that the wind is kicking up because we know rain is coming back in soon. Hey, but I found that. So yay. We were on our way out and I figured I'd come to the back of this little barn to see what's here. And look what I found. Yeah, is that one of the other Baldwins?
Baldwin.
Okay.
Extra order 7556, 1926.
1926 Baldwin. So that's here in the barn. That might be the operational one. That looks nice.
17.
Yeah. It looks like another one. I see the diesel on the end, but there's another one right here.
Oh yeah, this one's definitely operational because it's got
Yeah. And here's another one right here. This might be the one they said they use for parts because the cab is not on it. It's a diesel on. Couldn't see it from the other end because the diesel right there on the end is blocking it. But went in here tight against the wall, but it's missing a cab and everything. And there's a little Plymouth right here. And there's a little tractor or something right here. But yeah, this one looks like the one they use for, it's up in the cab. Little B cab. So I think I found all the trains that were here now. Yay! And there's boilerplate on it. Alright, so this camera picks up stuff very well too, because it's very dark in here. Alright, so very cool. Oh yeah, Baldwin locomotive on the front there. Alright, so I'm gonna stop and take pictures of the rest of the place, and then we're finally out. Thanks, guys.